I'm Whitney Fish, and I am the blogger behind You Hungry. And I'm here today making challah with my family in support of the LA Kids Challah Bake. Challah was not always something I was specifically good at, but I've been doing it every week for roughly about 8 years. And so at this point, I'm getting pretty good. But what's more important to me, beyond flavor, of course, is doing it with my family, doing it with my 2 daughters.
I'm Sienna, and I'm 5. I like to braid and design my own challah.
It's something that we share together, to be able to sit down and eat something that we have created together as a family, as a unit.
It's fun to put toppings on it and get my hands in the flour.
It not only brings joy to our heart, but it also, as a social worker and a school counselor, I know it builds confidence in them, seeing something they've created come to life. So check out the link below for tickets, and I can't wait to see you and bake with you on February 4th in downtown Los Angeles. Bye.